How to fix laptop battery draining fast. Let's get started. First, lower your screen brightness. For that, right-click the Start icon, go to System, click Display. Reduce the brightness for your built-in screen. Even a 10% drop makes a difference. Next, turn off keyboard backlight if you are using it. Press the key with the light symbol or use Fn plus F9 or F10, depends on your laptop model. Next up, head back, navigate to the option Power and Battery. Set your power mode to balance and reduce screen timeout on battery to 5 minutes or less. Enable Energy Saver to limit background activity. It can save up to 30% battery life. Unplug unused devices like USB drives or mics. Even idle peripherals drain your battery. Check Task Manager for background apps. Right-click Start button, open Task Manager, go to Startup tab. Disable apps you don't need at startup. Avoid disabling audio, graphics, or antivirus apps. Update Windows. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Windows Update, check for updates and install them all. Lastly, run System Repair Tools. Search for Command Prompt. Click on the option Run as Administrator. Now here you'll need to type in this command prompt, dism /online/cleanup image /restore health and hit enter. Now type in this command prompt sfc/scan now and hit enter. Both commands will fix system file issues and help reduce unnecessary power drain. Following these steps, you can easily fix fast battery drop on your laptop. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.